loves, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on this post notification bell to stay updated with me when I post and to get videos like this one. If you are a returning subscriber, hello loves, welcome back. Why does it keep doing that? Here we go. Welcome back to another video. Now, we're on the road to 1K subscribers, as I've been saying, and as I keep saying, we're almost there. I gained, I think, 2-3 new subscribers, so thank you all for subscribing to my channel. And we're not gonna do any more talking, we're just gonna get into the video. So y'all, it is today. I currently have been a little irritated. It's 9:16 in the morning. I'm doing homework, watching videos, but there's no breakfast in the house. So I have to physically cook some breakfast, and it's just so while we're here, this is gonna be a little cooking with me. I think I've already cooked breakfast before on here. So back there I got eggs, toast, some leftover sausages from yesterday, and some cheese back there, and I think I said milk. And today I'm about to be learning how to make pancakes, because I don't know how to make pancakes. I know, laugh it up. I don't know how to make pancakes. That's one thing I was never taught how to do. I pretty much am self-taught if you think about it. But anyway, so today I'm gonna be making pancakes. Y'all, also yesterday I broke my nail, like my entire nail off. So my fake nail along with my nail. And this is the first time it's ever happened. So it's gone, y'all. I feel so ghetto, but it's gone. It's freaking gone, and I'm salty. But we're about to be making pancakes today. I'm hungry as so we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. I literally watched about 2-3 videos before I did this because I don't want to mess it up. But good thing I'm only cooking for me because ain't nobody in the house, and then we'll get it going. So I'm about to go get all the materials to set up first, and then I'm gonna do this because I think I'm gonna multitask with the pancakes and with the eggs, because eggs don't ever take that long, at least for me. So let's get into it. Alright y'all, so I got all my stuff out. I didn't turn the freaking stove on yet, but I will. I want to do this portion first because I didn't want to mess it up. So from what I was seeing, I need 1 cup of this, 2/3 cups of water, and mix it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that. If you guys see me looking this way, it's because I'm looking at my laptop, because as you guys know, if you do not, every time I cook, I like to be on YouTube and watch a video. I still pay attention to my food, but I literally have to be watching something when I'm cooking. So yeah, let's get into it. supposed to let it sit here for 2 minutes. And it's pretty much sat here for 2 minutes. So this is how it looks. I just oiled up the pan. So I'm about to bring y'all closer over there and let's see if this is a disaster or not. I really don't know if it was supposed to be this thick. I feel like it was supposed to be like a little, you know what I'm saying? But we're gonna see how they turn out. Let's see if this was a fail or not. So I think it's fine. I put it on 7. I hope 7 is like around the spot it's supposed to be at. I feel like this is gonna turn out so bad, but I think I'm supposed to pour like a little bit. I feel like it's not supposed to be this thick. I don't know, we'll see. So I put one on there. It's gonna come out lopsided, just like me. We'll see how it does. So while I'm waiting for this, I'm gonna go ahead and start doing my mix for my eggs. Here's my pancake. It is fluffy. So while my other pancake is in there, you guys could just watch me because now I'm about to make my eggs and everything. And all that good stuff. So let's get into it. Alright, y'all, so as y'all seen, it was actually a success. It was a success. I was able to make some pancakes. They are 3 fluffy pancakes. The top one I kind of burnt a little bit, but it's fine. I'm about to put these in the microwave so they can just sit in there and absorb like the heat. I'm about to go ahead and make my toast. My eggs are done. And after that, we're gonna eat up. I'm just mad I don't have any orange juice. So yeah, well, I have this bread. This is gonna be my toast. And then I'm gonna warm up these sausages that I had from yesterday. Or at least 2 of them, because, you know, bread for about 3 minutes. I don't know how everybody else likes it, but with 3 minutes, it's kind of, it's not burnt, but it's toasted. And while I wait on those to pop, I usually go ahead and wash what dishes I use. I'm just that person. I like to cook and clean at the same time, so it's less work I have to do. My bread has toasted, so this is how I like it. Like, it's not too dark or anything, but it's like kind of on the just right side. Damn, can we darken up? Can't, thank you. We was real bright. But we have this blue bonnet, which is butter, since I've heard margarine isn't actual butter. But I just put my pancakes in there for like 30 seconds. And now it's done. I try to get my bread fresh out the toaster so the butter can melt immediately, but I was washing dishes, so I catch it when I can catch it. So I have my toast here, and we don't have any jelly, so usually when we don't have jelly, I just like sprinkle a little sugar on my toast. The sugar I can't reach because it's at the top shelf. Okay. Sprinkle a little bit of sugar. This was a cornstarch. Don't judge us, okay? You can make a container out of literally anything. So a little bit of sugar. And that is my toast. I would also put jelly, but again, we don't have any jelly. There's that. I'm about to just slide them over here. I swear we need bigger plates. I'm about to throw 2 sausages on here and warm them up. All right, 2 sausages. There's that. I'm about to put some of this butter on these pancakes because I don't know if you can see that, but they are steaming. My tripod is not trying to work with me. See what I mean when I say that they only need 30 seconds? Okay, we're just gonna leave it like this. You hear them over there popping? It ain't even been that long. So I'm gonna put butter on here. Y'all can't even see it. Put some butter on here. I'm gonna just kind of let that one melt. And this one I kind of burnt, but it's okay because I'm the one eating it and I very much will eat it. So we got pancakes, we got toast. Put this stuff up. Our eggs right here. And then we add my sausages. All right, y'all, so here's my plate. Pancakes, egg, toast, and sausages. So, y'all, it was a success. I thought I was going to mess it up, but turns out I did not mess it up, and I'm so happy about myself not messing it up. I'm so dark. There we go. So I'm gonna do probably another little clip of me just showing the lusciousness of the food. Happy it wasn't an epic fail. I'm about to go ahead and enjoy this breakfast, watch the rest of this video, and get homework done for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me cook. Let me know if you guys want me to do more of these. I could do like a cook with Zona or something like that. I don't know. So thank you guys for watching again. Do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on the post notification bells, stay updated with me when I post, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.